Hey, good morning, guys. Today we're gonna make an easy breakfast. I just wanted to go over how to make hard-boiled eggs. Nice, quick, and easy. And you're gonna start with cold water. We're gonna turn that on, and you're gonna put the you can put the flame up to high or medium high. Oh, I have a hole in this container. Let me get rid of the container. Sorry about that. Let me just get another one in case I need more water. Alright. We've got our eggs. These are just out of the refrigerator. So they're cold also. So you need to put your cold eggs into your cold water. Never put cold eggs into hot water because you're not gonna get hard-boiled eggs. They're gonna cook faster on the outside, and they're gonna stay, uncooked or soft-boiled on the inside. All right. Then we're gonna add more water to cover the eggs. Make sure your eggs are under water. Okay, and we're gonna let those come to a boil. Once you see your eggs coming to a boil, you're gonna turn this off. Okay, and then I'll let you know how much longer to wait in order to start peeling your eggs. All right, so what we'll do is we'll come back in a few minutes, and we're gonna check on our eggs. Alright, so our eggs have just begun to boil. Once they get to this stage, you're going to turn them off, and you're going to let them sit there for about 10 minutes. And while they're sitting there, they're still going to continue to cook. And that's how we're going to get our hard-boiled eggs. Then we're going to come back, and we're going to be peeling the hard-boiled eggs. And again, for how long did we let them sit there? How long to boil the eggs? You let it come to a boil. Let them sit for 10 minutes. Okay? And then we'll come back and I'll show you a peeling hack. How to peel your eggs. How to peel your hard-boiled eggs hack. That's my hack. And one that's that I learned to use to not tear at the when you're peeling your eggs, a lot of times you ruin the outside of the egg, the white part, and it gets really, it doesn't look too appetizing. But it's a little hack that I learned that'll easily remove the shell from the egg. Alright, so we've got 10 minutes passed. We're going to remove the hot water. Pour out your hot water and replace it with some cold water, just so that we can handle our eggs. Alright, so you're going to take a spoon or anything hard, a knife, anything that you can tap your eggs with. Let me make sure you guys are in frame. Okay, you're going to tap your eggs. You're going to go all the way around. Okay. And then you're going to start removing your shell. Okay. Okay, that's one egg. We're going to rinse it. Okay, that's one egg. You see how nice that came out? Okay, alrighty, we're going to do the next egg. Again, you're going to tap. Okay, all around the egg. Start moving your shell. You see how easily that came out? Okay, I dug a little bit too hard into the egg right there, but it still came out nicely. I'm gonna rinse that one too. Okay, you've got two nicely boiled eggs. Now what I like to do is I like a little bit of black pepper in my eggs, and I also like a little bit of mayonnaise. So I'm getting the mayonnaise. Got some mayonnaise here. A little bit of black pepper. Okay, if you would like to add salt, that's fine. I don't really add salt. Alright, so I'm going to split my eggs. Let me make sure you can see that. Alrighty. Just slice them down the middle. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper on each of them. I'm going to spread a little bit of mayonnaise on them. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's just put the mayonnaise on the side for now. Because I do want to take a picture of this and you won't be able to see the eggs too well. Just put the mayonnaise there on the side. It's pretty good for now. Alrighty. Okay, and there are your hard boiled eggs. Okay. And again, this is something that you don't even have to just have for lunch. You can have this for, you know, if you want a snack, a quick snack. For breakfast, lunch. Okay, I'm going to taste this. Okay, let me make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm just going to take a little piece of the egg. Okay, I'm going to add, it's got some black pepper in it already. I'm going to add a little bit of the mayonnaise. And they're really good. Now, they look a little bit more like they're in between soft boiled and going into the hard boiled stage, but they are hard boiled. And if you wanted them soft boiled, you would leave them a little bit less in the water. So after boiling them, maybe leave them 5 minutes or maybe 6 minutes in the water, or maybe even less before you start to remove the shell. I left mine for 10 minutes after boiling. You let again, just to review, you're gonna start with cold eggs, cold water. Okay, you're gonna bring the flame up to medium high. You're gonna let that come to a boil. Once you see the water boiling, you're going to turn off your flame, leave your eggs in there for 10 minutes, maybe a little bit more. And you're gonna remove the hot water. This is after 10 minutes. Remove your hot water, fill it with cold water because you want to be able to cool down the eggs so you're able to handle them. They're not too hot. You're gonna take a spoon or a knife, doesn't matter, and you're gonna crack around all around the egg, and it's going to make it so much more easier to remove the shell. Because I see some people that like to just hit the egg against a hard surface and then start removing the shell. But what that happens is when you just crack the egg on one side, you're more able to, liable to gouge at the egg and create a big, tear at the white part. And it just makes a better and easier peel when you do that all around the egg. You crack all around the egg. And it, for some reason the shell just comes out easier and in larger pieces. Alright, so again, this tasted very good. Again, I added at the end, you can add your black pepper, your salt, your, I've seen people add hot sauce to their eggs. I added a little bit of mayonnaise, and that's the way I like it. And the mayonnaise, again, I don't add salt because the mayonnaise is pretty salty to me, so I don't need the salt in there. And right now, you can make this with anything, coffee, tea, milk, juice, whatever it is you like to eat eggs with. You can even use this in a recipe, which I'll have an upcoming video in the future about that. You can make salads with eggs. And right now I'm boiling some water because I'm going to make some green tea to have with my eggs. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for coming.